everyone, and welcome back to this week's episode of the Vantage Vibe Live. Today we're going to be talking about another one of our favorite site tools, which is the mini catalog tool. So you can see here on the MyVantage dashboard under the site tools dropdown, we're just selecting the mini catalogs button. Once selected, you'll be taken to the mini catalogs page, and you'll be able to select here the new mini catalog button and give your catalog a name. So I'm naming mine Sustainable Styles just for an example, and you will click the create button. You'll then be taken on to the mini catalogs page where you can start adding styles to your mini catalog. So since this is a sustainable styles catalog, I'm adding in some pieces from our Earthwise collection made with Repreve recycled polyester. So first I'm adding in the Planet Polo. And I'm adding in both men's and women's styles of the Planet Polo. And then I'm going to add in our Grace Flow cardigan. And you can add in up to 4 styles per mini catalog. So I'm just going to do 3 today. You can also customize some features that will appear on your catalogs in this column on the left-hand side. So you can add a logo banner to your catalog. You can also select if pricing disclaimers will be shown. You just have to select this box here. It's pre-selected, so you can unselect it. And you can also choose to include product links. Then to download, you will click the button located on the bottom of the column, the download PDF button. Once downloaded, you'll be able to click on the PDF file and open it up. So now you have your downloaded mini catalog in a shareable PDF with all of your selected styles and the information for each style. Okay, so I'm also going to be showing you guys another way to add products to your mini catalog. Since I did a sustainable theme, I'm going to go to our trending Earthwise page. And here I'm just going to scroll down, look through the products, and I'm deciding on our Vansport neck gaiter to add to my catalog. So you can see when you hover your mouse over the photo, the little add to mini catalog button will pop up, and you can just select which mini catalog you'd like to add it to, or if you want to create a new mini catalog. So I've added it in, and I'm going back to the catalog here. You can also go back and make edits, like you can change the order of items just by clicking that little arrow located under the X when you hover over the photo. So I changed the order of the 2 Planet Polos, and then now we're just going to download the PDF again with our updated product selection. So same steps as before, just select the download PDF button, and the PDF file should download onto your computer. And here the new mini catalog is with the new order and the new product in it. Alrighty, so that's all for today. Thanks again for tuning into this week's episode. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss when we post. We'll see you next time.